Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can get calls and messages on your Samsung Galaxy S22 series from another phone. So here, let's say if you do not have access to your phone and you want to get all your messages and the call logs details, what you can do is grab another mobile device, or you can go to your computer, anything that can access the internet. So here is my Google Pixel 4, and here I have opened up the Chrome web browser. What you want to do is go to findmymobile.samsung.com, the address right there, and then you need to sign in with your account using the same account that you use to sign into your Galaxy S22 series. After that, put in the email address and tap on next, and then put in the account password. So put in the password and tap on the sign in button. Okay, once you have signed in, it will show a map of the current location of your mobile device. And down here on a menu, you want to tap on retrieve calls or messages. So tap on that. And in here, it will say you need to verify. Now, if you do not have access to your phone, you can try to use verifications using another method, such as verify with text message. So perhaps you need to get hold of your text messages. So once you have access to your phone number, you can verify through your phone, or you can verify through a text message. And then if you tap on verify with text message, it will send a text message so that you can verify. Now, if you do not have two-step verification on your phone, then you do not need to do this. Okay, on the next screen, it says you can retrieve up to 50 recent calls and messages from your phone. Additional charges may apply when you retrieve your call and messages history. Now tap on the retrieve button to proceed. And it is now retrieving call and text messages. And that's it. After that, you can tap on the retrieve button to retrieve more. And that's how you can retrieve call or messages from another phone, so that you can access messages remotely for your Samsung Galaxy S22 series. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.